Hi, my name is Lily Knight, and my partners, Michaela Birdsong, Jayla Askew, and Reba Booz, will be discussing Norrie disease. Norrie disease was first discovered in 1927 by a Danish ophthalmologist named Norrie, who was particularly interested in understanding why or what were the causes of blindness within Denmark. And so, through multiple observations and looking at multiple patients, he found that there was a mutation on the X-linked gene. Now, as many people may know, we receive X and Y chromosomes from our parents. But this gene particularly focuses on the X gene that we receive from our mothers or from female carriers. And on this gene, it causes visual impairments and other symptoms that will be discussed later within the presentation. This mutation also causes retinal detachment, meaning that the retina is going to detach from a tissue within the eye, which is going to form a whitish, yellowish mass in the back of our lenses, which sort of gives off a white illumination within the iris, which you can sort of see here in this picture. You can also see here in this picture just a little bit because the baby is squinting. It's also going to cause a lack of blood vessels to form, which also causes impairments within their sight. Here in this picture, you can sort of see plaque forming right here. You can sort of see the lack of blood vessels right there. Although this is extremely detrimental to the person in their sight, it is extremely rare. Out of 100,000 people, only one person could have it. And it mainly only affects male infants. So males are the ones that are going to receive it from the X chromosome of their mother, and they are going to either have it at birth or the following months after birth, they will start noticing the signs of visual impairments.
The characteristics of Norrie disease at the organismal level include retinal degeneration before birth, visual failure due to abnormal development of the neuroretina, white pupils or cataracts, abnormally small eyes, widened pupils at birth, underdeveloped irises, abnormally close facial features, a narrow nasal bridge, and abnormally large ears. This affects the nervous system by targeting the retina, which is responsible for visual image processing, to separate from the underlying supporting tissue, which forms a yellow-gray mass behind the lens.
Overall effects of this disease may cause retinal detachment, clouding of the eye lens, leukorrhea, also known as white pupil, and iris inactivity in the eye. Norrie disease is a gene disorder because of the rare change in a protein known as norrin. This disease has a genetic recessive X-linked inheritance. Chromosome X is responsible, and abnormal development of the retina cells cause undeveloped retinal cells to accumulate in the back of the eye. The retina plays a vital role in detecting light and color through a layer of sensory nerves.
Norrie disease originates from the mutation of NDP, also known as Norrie disease protein gene. This gene is responsible for producing norrin protein and other nucleic acids. Norrin consists of a half cysteine-rich protein containing 133 amino acids, and through chemical signaling, norrin affects cellular and tissue development of the eye. In the case of hypothetical treatment, our group came up with this. Shark and human eyes have been proven structurally similar, and procedures such as cornea replacement involving both have been proven successful. Unlike humans, eagles have deeper phobias, allowing them to see objects at farther distances. Therefore, through gene therapy, our treatment utilizes shark and eagle eye genes to determine if both produce the effects within a human eye affected by Norrie disease. Regarding eagle eyes, our treatment will focus on genetically modifying a human eye with an eagle's genes to have a deeper phobia.
As of today, there are no current treatments. Rather, doctors and parents everywhere are really looking to preserve the treatment and the vision of these young children rather than coming up with new technology or looking for ways to get rid of the mutation within the X-linked gene. Surgeons will do surgery on cataracts. You also have this new technology called laser photocoagulation, which gets rid of the tunic vascular lentis, which is supposed to deform or be rid of after birth, but it's still in the eyes of those who have Norrie disease today. So all parents can really do is look for low vision services, as well as obtain hearing aids for any visual problems. And as of right now, that is conclusion to our presentation. Here are our references, and thank you for listening to our presentation.